Hi, my name is Martin and I'm a co-founder here at Comparables.ai. Today I'm going to show you how you can use our platform to find any companies in any market, anywhere in the world. So let's get started. Okay, let's say that I'm interested in finding solar panel companies. There's a couple of different options for me. If I want to find companies that are private or public or listed, whatever type of companies, I can use this data set. If I'm only interested in finding companies that are trading publicly, I can use this data set. So let's say I want to find private companies. I'm going to type in solar panels in the blue keywords here and hit add keywords and hit search. Now, what the platform is going to do is from the global data set, it's going to try to find the best matching companies towards my input. I get a lot of results with these type of keywords. So I likely want to focus this search a little bit more. Let's say that cleaning services, I want to find companies that are doing solar panel cleaning. So what I can do is I'm going to put in solar panels using quotation marks. So then it's going to look for solar panels as a phrase and then cleaning. And then hit OK and update. With the blue keywords, it's going to be more of an OR function. So it's going to look for both keywords independently as well. And here I can see that it's already providing me really nice results. Solar panel cleaning services. What you can take a look at here is on the company profiles, the keywords are displayed here and how many times they are matching towards the descriptive data that we have on the company. The second layer of AI is the green analysis here, where the AI analyzes how much relevancy there is between the company's description and what they do and the keywords that you've entered. Let's go a little bit deeper. So I'm gonna enter, let's say industrial. I wanna look for industrial cleaning companies. Maybe we can add commercial as well. All right, gonna hit search again or update. And then it's going to show me a bunch of results. Let's see here. Oh, we also get companies that focus on residential services. So we want to remove those. Residential, maybe household could be a good one as well, or domestic, like this. So these are going to be negative keywords. And now the system is going to remove companies that match those keywords. And there we go. Looks a lot better. One thing I'm noticing that we still have a lot of results. So one of the things we can do is if we want to focus our search on companies that specifically doing solar panel cleaning, we can set them as must-have keywords. And this means that any results that are being displayed in the result list will need to have these two keywords included. So I'm going to update the search results again. 961. Seems pretty good. And then, of course, while I'm looking through the results, I can see that there are a lot of different companies from different countries. There's also a lot of difference in the financials. So if I want to filter those type of things, I can go to the filter section. I can do, let's say I wanted to only look at US-based companies. Maybe I want to add some financial filters or even company type filters. It's all available here. There's even some other filters that you can use. All right. When you apply the filters and hit search, it's going to redo the search looking for companies in those with those specific parameters. And there we go. That's a quick and easy way to find companies in a specific niche or segment. I hope you liked the video, and if you want to try out Comparables.ai for free, feel free to sign into our platform at any time and reach out to us if you want to try the premium on a free trial. Thank you.